Changing the purchase invoice number in Tally Prime is very easy to do. Today I'm gonna show you how to do it. Here are the steps to change the purchase invoice number in Tally Prime. Open Tally Prime and go to the gateway of Tally. Select Account Vouchers and then F9 Purchase. Press F12, Configure and select Voucher Entry. In the Voucher Numbering section, select Menu from the Method of Voucher Numbering field. Enter the new invoice number in the starting number field. Press Ctrl+A to save the changes. Changing the invoice number in Tally Prime will update your records for the specific purchase invoice. Ensure that the new invoice number follows your organization's invoice numbering system and is unique. Changing the invoice number might affect the sequence and consistency of your invoices in your accounting records. It's essential to maintain proper documentation and communication within your organization when changing invoice numbers to avoid confusion.